Hey, what it is, what it was, what it shall be. This is JL the Anti-Guru. And first, let me thank you again for participating and providing a question in my surveys. Much appreciated. I'm sure you're ready to get started using Genius Connector. So I'm going to jump right into it and show you exactly how to set it up and how you should use it so you can have the most success. So we go right over here. You see this little icon? It should be that Google Chrome extension that you've already picked up. So you click on it. Hopefully you have already logged in. Remember, your login is going to be your email address and the numbers that I provided. Now, the way I have mine set up, but you can set it up any way you want. You can go auto, which is between 30 and 60 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 9 minutes. I keep it at auto. I don't do infinite because if you do a large number of friend requests, you could get yourself locked up in Facebook jail. And for the purpose of this demo, this tutorial, I'm only going to do 2, but normally I do anywhere from 25 to 30 every time I use the software. Now, I personally don't use it every day, but you most certainly can. But here is the magic, guys, right down here, your keywords. These are the words that you want to provide so that Genius Connector can search those terms inside the groups, because this works inside of Facebook groups where we do our prospecting. And here's the this is the Black Business Group I'm a member of. I've got my search parameters. I want to work with marketers, owners, entrepreneurs, self-employed, CEOs. But before I run this software, let me show you another little hack. When you're inside of whatever groups that you're in, a lot of times people will put their title in. Like this young lady has director and owner. Someone else, let's see, business consultant. So that can help you refine inside of the group what people you want to work with, if they're even in that group. So if there's nobody in that group that has a title that, or someone you want to work with, you might not want to use the tool in there. Here's another one, self-employed, which is, independent distributor. So these are some of the hacks. So if you're not sure what to search for, this can kind of give you an idea of what kind of people are in the group. And you can also take the time to check them out before you run this software. But, like I said, we're just going to give you a live demo of the software, how it works. So I've got it set at auto, 30 to 60 seconds. I want to do a limited amount of requests. For this purpose, I'm just going to do 2. I have my search terms, and all I have to do is click run. And boom, it's already grabbed somebody. And it won't take long. And you can see over here, there's a little circle so it's sending out that friend request to this young lady. She is an owner and a CEO. So she's in my search terms. But that's basically how the software works. So you're thinking, how's this going to benefit me? Think about if you were a person who wanted to send out 25 or 30 or 50 friend requests a day, trying to connect with as many people as you can to put your opportunity, your product, your service, whatever it is that you are trying to promote in front of those people. And we know how frustrating it can be sending those out. Imagine just doing 50 in a day. That probably would take you an hour or so. But you can set this thing at 50 or 25 or whatever number you want and hit run, and it will run. And as long as you keep that page open, don't close it, because that will stop the software from running. But you can go do other things. You can work on your products. You can work on some type of marketing, or you can work on some other area of your business while this is actually sending out friend requests for you automatically. So like I say, it saves you time because you don't have to do it manually. It also laser targets your prospects, your leads, your customers, so that you know that you're going to be talking with the people who certainly are interested in what you have to offer. All right, again, thanks for signing up. Lord, I can't talk. Thanks for answering my question or sending out a question and helping me in this project. I pray that you use the software. You have it for 90 days. Remember, again, this is a trial period. After 90 days, If you decide that you want to keep the software, you don't have to do anything. We will automatically charge the card that you shared with us when you signed up for your account. And if you don't want to use it anymore, just make sure you shoot me an email at least 24 hours before the end of the trial period, and I will turn your account off. All right. I hope that you have success, and later.